welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosita back with another DIY video. In today's video, I'll be making a DIY backdrop. So I got tired of looking at my white background all the time, so I just need to change it up a little. For those of you who don't know what a backdrop is, it's something that you put behind you when you're making a video, if you're doing a baby shower, a wedding, anything of that sort. You just decorate it accordingly, and that's your backdrop. Those of you who are watching this video have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Let me show you guys what you'll need to make the backdrop. And just before we begin, let me just say this. I spent about $16 to buy the stuff that I need to make this video. However, if you are on a really tight budget and can't afford any of this, you could just use Bristol board. You could take 2, 3, however much amount you want, stick them together, and you could just decorate the Bristol board. That is the cheaper way. So like under $5, you could have a really dope backdrop. So I just want to say that, like, for people who can't afford it, you can just go to the dollar store, pick up a few colored Bristol boards, and you'll be good to go. You decorate it accordingly. You could even use, like, if you don't have money to buy glitters or whatever, you can use nail polish or marker. You could decorate it however you want, and you will have a dope DIY backdrop. But anyways, so let me show you guys what I'll be using in this tutorial. I'll be using paint. So I got the lavender pink paint because purple is my favorite color. Lavender is a part of purple, so yeah, don't come for me saying lavender isn't purple, whatever. But yeah, so I got 6 of these because I did not know how much I was going to use. I got that for $1.25. Then I got a jar of glitter, $4 at Dollarama. I got the Tacky spray just because I don't have much time. Once I paint the board and I put the crystal on, I don't want to wait forever for it to dry. However though, you can use whatever glue you want if you have time on your hands. I got this for $12 with tax at Walmart. And you of course need something to paint the paint with. So I got these. I got a whole bag for, I opened it before, but it's $1.25 at Dollarama. I should have gotten the paintbrush. I don't know why I got this for the moment. I don't know. And then you'll need something to obviously decorate. So, one second. I got this cardboard. The cardboard is bigger than me. This cardboard I did not pay for. My fiance got something and he forgot to put the box out on recycling day, and then I was like, yeah, I could use that. I could really use this to make something. So I cut it up, and yeah. So I'll be painting that first, put some glitter. Oh, and I also got butterflies. This one, $2. This one, $1.25. $1.25. You could barely see it, but yeah. You can barely see the price, but take my word for it. $1.25. Yeah, so I'll be making it, decorating it, and then let's see how it turns out. There will be a part 2 to this video because I'll be making another one that's even cheaper. So all you'll need is, you'll see in that video. I'm not about to spill it right now. So let's go, let's get into it. So, let me tie up my hair because I don't want it to get paint. I don't want to paint my hair purple, you know, already trying to get it pink. But, you know.
Hold me close till I get up.
Yeah,
Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left.
Now we good to go.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Alright guys, so this is my wall. I love it. It looks so much more beautiful in person. The only thing I would change is that it's a little bit too short of a ear, so it doesn't cover my whole screen. But I will add on another piece to it. For the butterfly, I think they're okay for now. I think though, I will change the color ones. I'll remove the color ones and put just these ones. I think it'll look much more better. But for now, this is it. It's really cute. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it. That's for my thumbnail, y'all. I love it. It's beautiful. Like, believe me, it's beautiful. So yeah. So part 2 is coming on Wednesday. Don't forget. It's going to be like more of a flower wall kind of thing. So hopefully that one will be the exact size. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna add a piece more to it just because I wanted to cover everything. And also because I don't want my face to be super close up to the camera. Man, I need a little room. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you can be the first ones notified every time I upload a new video. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Stay safe, be blessed, and spread that positivity. Until then, bye.